Hey, I'm Chris, and thanks for joining me on my first update video for the Aoshima LBWK Aventador. First things first, I'm just picking out all the body panels ready for some paint, and as you see there from them pictures, the first one all on the trees, second one removed from the trees, contact points removed, sanded smooth with some P600, and then this is the after 2 coats of the Street Blisters light grey 1K primer. And it's just, I mean, for those who have watched my previous videos regarding this primer from Street Blisters in particular, I just wish you could feel how smooth it is. It lays incredibly well, and you could, you know, they do advise to sand it with P800, but to be honest, it's that smooth. For me, I didn't even bother sanding it before applying the colour. It just goes down so smooth. I don't know how well you can tell from the video how smooth it actually is, but yeah, it's incredibly smooth, and I'm incredibly happy. This is, I think this was a day later, so it's set really well, and I'm just trying to catch the outside light on the body panels just to see if you could just tell how smooth it really is. And again, how well can you see it? I'm not too sure, but I've just tried to capture what I can, and all I can tell you is what I've already said. It's just incredibly smooth. What more can I ask for? So I would just like to say that this video is not going to be the longest. It's just basically this is how it looks before and after priming. This is how it looks before any colour and after colour really. And there's quite a few body panels to this. So it took a fair bit of priming. But it's much better, much more efficient using the airbrush. My goodness, if I was using spray cans, I'd have used so much going through all this. But I literally just reserved the Street Blisters primer just for the body panels. It's just that good. It's just that good. So yeah, there's a lot of body panels. It did use a fair bit, but still, you know, yeah, that number, you know, the tally 4 at the top. This is the 4th body I've primed up with the Street Blisters, and it's a 100ml bottle, and I've only used half a bottle-ish. It goes a long way, you know, especially when you're just doing 2 coats. Your first one's light mist, your second one you can go on and just make it get full coverage. Done. Happy days. And this is where we're getting ready to go and get the colour down. This part here is actually after the first coat, and it does look patchy, and that's just because it's just the first mist coat, whereas this is the second coat. With the colour, like the primer, 1 coat of mist, 1 coat of wet, that's enough. That's it, that's enough for the Street Blisters, these Street Blisters paints. I mean, just look at this purple. I mean, this is dry, so it does look very satin-like. But I can assure you, when this was going down straight at the airbrush and it was wet, oh my goodness, this colour was just absolutely stunning. So I'm not going to be getting it 2K just yet, because I've got a few more bits to paint up first. But I will be getting it 2K'd hopefully as soon as. I just need to get the wheels painted and get some of the body intake covers, like the black parts, get them all painted, and get everything ready. And I'm just going to do a big batch of 2K clearing all at once. And as you can see here, these are the body panels. They're just some of the side scoops, and you know, there's quite a few more body panels. Look, and you've got a lot of the splitters and the aero for the front, wing mirrors. Yeah, it's just quite a lot. And this is my little makeshift clipstick stand. I've got a Street Blisters stand, and it's got 10 clips. But yeah, as you can see, I needed a bit of assistance because there was a whole lot. And these are the wheels. So these are the wheels before any colour. So the next video will be going through the colour of the wheels and something else. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. Cheers.